Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make cinnamon half cakes, guys. These are so yummy and they are really easy and simple. Yes, so I tried to minimize ingredients in this one as much as possible, to make it simple. So I am going to use 2.5 cups of flour. I add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of baking soda. I added in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, since it's a cinnamon cakes, half cakes, we are going to use 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Yes, I am also going to use a 1/2 cup of milk in there and 2 tablespoons of margarine. Now you mix this in together and you start kneading. Now, yes, at this point, please add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and knead this together nicely. Yes, so you add some oil on here and you spread it evenly, properly, and you cover, let it sit for at least 30 to 1 hour. Yes, now you cover this and let it sit. This is going to help it rest and also become softer. The dough becomes softer. Yes, so 30 minutes are done. Our dough is here. Look, very soft, guys. Now, yes, you add some all-purpose flour on your working surface. You add your dough there. You are going to roll this out and cut nice shapes. Please make sure that your dough is a bit thick so that you avoid making flat cakes. So yes, you cut it nicely, you cut out your shapes nicely right there. So now cooking on low heat, in a pan, add in your oil and let it cook properly. Now you can do your oil test, put in small dough, and when it's ready then you add in all your other dough. So yes, you add in your cakes, half cakes there nicely, or mandazis. Yes, so you put them there, let them cook on low heat so that they get ready all through. And yes, when they are ready, please take them off the heat. You will know that they are ready because you will see them when they are brown properly and also the time that you give them. Yes. So yes, like 5 minutes will be enough to cook them. 5 minutes. Cook them on low heat, and yes, there we are. Guys, these are so yummy. Try this for your chai, for your tea masala, whatever you really like, and get back to me. Tell me, is it nice? Thank you guys for watching. God bless you.